In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your My Tasks in Asana. The My Tasks section is your centralized hub for all the tasks assigned to you. It's an intuitive way to manage and keep track of all your responsibilities within Asana, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Let's start by locating this essential feature. On the left panel of your Asana workspace, you'll find My Tasks. Give it a click, and there you have it. A comprehensive list of assignments curated specifically for you. Asana offers 5 dynamic view tabs to examine your tasks, each with its own unique layout and organizational benefits. You'll notice these tabs presented across the screen: the List tab, Board tab, Calendar tab, Dashboard tab, and Files tab. Starting with the List view, this is your default layout. Here, your tasks are conveniently segmented by sections, which generally indicate when they should be completed. If this organization doesn't quite fit your workflow, you have the flexibility to change it. Simply head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Group button. A drop-down menu will appear, offering various grouping options. You can organize your tasks by due date, by person, creation date, project, and more. This adaptability ensures that your tasks are displayed in a manner that best suits your planning style. Moving on to the board view, you'll discover an engaging and visually appealing way to manage your tasks. This view allows you to drag and drop tasks into sections, creating a more interactive experience. It's perfect for those who prefer a hands-on approach to task management. Next up is the calendar view. This layout provides a chronological display of your tasks, allowing you to plan your schedule effectively. You can choose to arrange your tasks weekly or monthly, which helps prioritize tasks based on urgency and due dates. The dashboard view in Asana offers a more analytical approach. Consider it the reporting tool for your tasks, providing insights into how many tasks are currently on your plate, how many are due soon, and how many you have already completed. This view is invaluable for keeping on top of your workload and understanding your progress at a glance. Lastly, we have the Files view. This feature consolidates all the files uploaded to your Asana workspaces and projects that you're involved in. It's a straightforward way to access all necessary documents without having to sift through individual tasks. And there you have it, the fundamentals of navigating your My Tasks views in Asana. Whether you prefer lists, visual boards, or a timeline approach, Asana's customizable views offer something for everyone, making task management both efficient and tailored to your needs.